Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 3. We're starting a new session and we're doing Christmas ephemera. Now, if you don't celebrate Christmas, you don't have to do Christmas ephemera. But I celebrate Christmas, so I'm doing Christmas ephemera. And I'm very excited about this. This challenge is hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And I've participated in the last two that she's had, and they've been a lot of fun. And it's really helped me get my ephemera built up. So now it's time to get ready for Christmas. I know it seems to be too early, but if you think about it, it was just Christmas last week, and here it is July. So it doesn't hurt to get started now. So I've pulled out a lot of my ephemera from last year, and I got a lot of stuff at the end of the year sale. So I pulled these sheets out of this little Paper Studio pack, and I'm gonna make my ephemera. And our prompts for this week is your favorite religious figure, and mine is Jesus. Can't get no better than him. And the second prompt was your favorite drink. And I say he's drinking coffee and she's pouring cream in it. That's my story, and I'm sticking with it. So I hope everybody will enjoy this. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's number 1 and number 2, the beginning. Our favorite religious figure, I've got baby Jesus. And favorite drink, I'm going with coffee. And I just embellished it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful week. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3. So until next time, bye y'all.